Hello students and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with new chapter, that is matrices. See, basically what is matrix? Matrix is rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and column. Now we can see over here there are certain numbers like 5 1, 5 3 1 2, 5 3 2. So these are what? Arrangement of numbers, rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns. So this is called what? Column. And this one, this is called row. So in this matrix we can say there are 2 rows. How many rows are there? 2. And how many columns are there? 2. Here we can say that row, this is what? Row. So here we can say row is 2 and column is 1. Now see here, this is row. So row is 1 and column, this is 1, 2 and 3. So column is what? It's 3. Now this is matrix. Now what is order of the matrix? How can we calculate order of matrix? So order of matrix is row into column. Like for first example which I gave, here order will be row into column, that is 2 into 1. For here 2 into 2 and here order will be 1 into 3. Now when we write order, so we only write like this. We don't multiply it because they are asking order only. So we'll only write like this only. Second is elements of matrix. Elements of matrix is what? Each member, that is 5 is the member of this matrix, 1 is the member of this matrix. So 5 is element, 1 is element. Now when we have to calculate in any of the matrix total number of element, so total number of element is row into matrix. Like here total number of element is 1 into 2, 2. In second matrix total number of element is 2 into 2, 4. When we have to find out element, then only we'll multiply it. But when we have to find out order, we won't multiply because this 1 indicates number of rows and this 3 indicate number of column. For third matrix similarly, number of element will be 1 into 3, that is 3. See, the first type of matrix is row matrix. Row matrix is what? Which has matrix which has only one row. We can see over here it is having only one row. See, these horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines, these are vertical lines, these are called columns. So in this case row is 1 but columns are 2. So 1 into 2. If row is 1, it is known as row matrix. Similar to this case 1 into 2, but in this case 1 into 3. Now column matrix which has only one column. So here it is only one column but row is 2. One column, row is 2. One column but row is 3. So here order is what? 3 into 1, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. So when column is 1, so it's known as column matrix. When row is 1, it is known as row matrix. Now third type of matrix is square matrix. Square matrix is a matrix which has equal number of rows and equal number of columns. We can look over here. See, these are vertical lines. So vertical lines are 2 and horizontal lines are also 2. That means row is equals to column. The order is what? 2 into 2. So here if row is equals to column, so it is known as what? Square matrix. In this case also 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Horizontal lines and vertical lines are same. That means rows and columns are same, 3 into 3. So it will be what? Square matrix. Fourth type of matrix is rectangular matrix. So rectangular matrix is that matrix in which number of rows is not equal to number of columns. We can see over here rows are 2 but the columns are 3. So order is what? 2 into 1. Here rows are 3, columns are 2. So 3 into 2. So in this case, rows is not equal to column. 0 or null matrix, if each element of matrix is 0, so it is known as 0 or null matrix. Diagonal matrix, all elements 0 except diagonal. So except diagonal, all elements are 0, तो हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? Diagonal matrix. Now see, diagonal matrix का ये एक type होता है, that is unit or we can say identity matrix, which is represented by I. If in diagonal matrix these values are replaced by 1, like I have written 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. So this will be unit or we can say identity matrix, and this matrix is represented by I. One question comes, they ask find transpose of matrix. Let's suppose I am provided with matrix, that is A is 2 3 1 0 4 7. So if I have to calculate its transpose, so this is denoted by AT. If I have to calculate its transpose, in this case, in transpose, what happened? Rows become column. Rows column बन जाती हैं and columns जो होते हैं they become rows. Column become rows. So 2 and 0, these are 2 3 1, this is row, so this will become what? Column. 2 3 1, sorry, yes, this is row, so this will become column, and 0 4 7, this is second row, so this will become second column. Hence we can say in this case, for the matrix A, order of the matrix was 2 into 3. We'll write like this. Whenever we have to write order of the matrix, we write it over here. 2 into 3, इसका मतलब है rows are 2 and columns is 3. In this case, row is what? 3 and column is 2. So this matrix is what? 3 into 2. Next question comes, this is the first question which comes, you have to find transpose of matrix. Next question comes, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices means, let's suppose we are provided with one matrix, A is equals to 2 3 1 5 and B is equals to 2 3 1 5. When all the elements of one matrix is respectively equal to all the elements of other matrix, in that case we say matrix A is equals to B, and this is known as equality of matrix. Now see, for example, we are provided with one question, find x, y, a and b. If x minus 2y, a by 2, b minus 1 is equals to what? 0 3 1 5. So this is equality matrix. In this case, as I told, equality matrix में क्या होता है? All elements of one element is equal to other elements of second matrix. So x minus 2 will be equal to 0. इसका first element will be equal to the first element of second matrix, and y will be equal to 3. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. Then a by 2 will be equal to 1. A by 2 is 1, so a will be what? 2. And b minus 1 will be equal to 5, so b will be what? 6. So A matrix is 5 4 3 minus 1, B matrix is 2 1 0 4 and C matrix is minus 3 2 1 0. Now what we have to calculate? A plus C. So we'll write A matrix. A matrix is 5 4 3 minus 1. इसको किससे प्लस करना है? C matrix. So I'll write down C matrix. दोनों को ऐड करना है. 5 plus minus 3, तो it will be 2. 4 plus 2 6. 3 plus 1 4 and minus 1 plus 0, it will be minus 1. So this is how we have calculated A plus C. Now they have told to calculate B minus A. So B matrix is 2 1 0 4 minus A. A matrix is 5 4 3 minus 1. So what we'll get over here? 2 minus 5 minus 3, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 4 minus minus 1 minus minus plus, so it will be 4 plus 1 5. So this is how we have solved addition of matrices, we have solved subtraction of matrix. Now question also comes addition and subtraction on one. So A plus B minus C. A is what? 5 4 3 minus 1. B is what? 2 1 0 4 minus C matrix minus 3 2 1 0. So we'll first of all add these two matrices. 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 0 3, minus 1 plus 4 is 3, minus 3 2 1 0. So 7 minus 3 है, तो it will become 7 plus 3, 5 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 0. So we'll get what? 10 3 2 3. This is how we can solve addition and subtraction of matrices. That is 8 6 minus 2 4, and matrix B is given to us minus 3 5 1 0. Now we have to calculate X matrix if A plus X is what? B. So X matrix, it will be what? B minus A, will shift A to this side. B matrix is minus 3 5 1 0, and A matrix is 8 6 minus 2 4. So we'll subtract it. Minus 3 minus 8, 5 minus 6, 1 minus minus plus 2, and 0 minus 4. So we'll get what? Minus 3 minus 8 minus 11, 5 minus 6 minus 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 0 minus 4 is minus 4. So this is how we can find the unknown matrix if some condition is given to us. Now the next type of question is A matrix is 1 2 2 minus 3, B matrix is minus 2 minus 1 1 2, and C matrix is 0 3 2 minus 1. Now what we have to calculate is A plus 2B minus 3C. So A plus 2B minus 3C we have to calculate. A is what? 1 2 minus 2 3. B is what? Minus 2 minus 1 1 2, and C is 0 3 2 minus 1. So we'll write 1 as it is because अभी हमको आगे multiply करना, and this is the multiplication by scalar number. Till now we haven't studied how to multiply two matrices. We are only studying multiplication of a matrix by scalar number 2 3 5 6 like this. So it will be 2 into minus 2 4. This 2 will be multiplied by each element, and अगर divide होगा तो this 2 will be divided by each element. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 into 0 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 into 2 6, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Now we'll solve it. 1 minus, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस माइनस आएगा, 1 माइनस 4, 2 माइनस 2, माइनस 2 प्लस 2, 3 प्लस 4. इसको माइनस करना है. 0 9 6 माइनस 3 मैट्रिक्स से. नाउ 1 माइनस 4 I'll get minus 3, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 4 plus 3 7. किस मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 0 9 6 minus 3. So it will be minus 3 minus 0, 0 minus 9, 0 minus 6, 7 minus minus plus 3. So minus 3 minus 0 minus 3, minus 9, minus 6 and 10. So in this video we have seen what is matrix, how can we calculate order of the matrix. We have studied types of matrix, transpose, addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrix by scalar number. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.